So in this pharmacological snippet, I am going to give you important questions which are asked from the thyroid gland question, endocrine thyroid hormones. So सबसे पहले तो होता है देखो propyl thiouracil का comparison with carbimazole. So propyl thiouracil can be used in pregnancy in the first trimester of pregnancy. Carbimazole is used in the second and third trimesters. Then propyl thiouracil is also causes peripheral conversion. It is more plasma protein bound, but it is less potent. The severe adverse effect associated with propyl thiouracil is hepatotoxicity, while carbimazole causes it causes agranulocytosis. Then carbimazole, methimazole is the active metabolite of carbimazole. Myxedema coma में the drug of choice is L-thyroxine and not leothyronin, because leothyronin causes arrhythmia. So L-thyroxine IV is given. Then what is Lugol's iodine? So Lugol's iodine is 5% iodine in 10% potassium iodide solution. It is used in thyroid storm. It is used preoperatively in thyroidectomy. Then why propranolol is used in thyroid storm or thyrotoxic crisis? Because it reduces the sympathetic symptoms associated with thyrotoxicosis by inhibiting or reducing the receptor sensitivity, adrenergic receptor sensitivity. Thyroid hormone acts through a nuclear receptor. What is the major enzyme involved in the thyroid hormone synthesis is thyroid peroxidase. This enzyme TP, thyroid peroxidase, is inhibited by antithyroid drugs. Then radioactive iodine is not to be used in pregnancy, not to be used in young patients, not to be used in patients in whom surgery can be given. It is used in old patients. What is the radioactive iodine? It is iodine 131. Then thyroid constipation क्या होता है? Thyroid constipation कौन सी दवाई करती है? That is iodide and iodides and iodine that cause thyroid constipation. Thyroid escape भी उन्हीं के साथ होता है. So these are the major. What is the most circulating hormone is T4, while the most active hormone is T3. So these are some of the important thyroid hormone related questions which are asked in NEET, PG, INICET and other competitive exams.